Hello YouTube. There we are with the next vlog. Like I told you yesterday, I bought this new welding machine and I'm gonna show you with unpacking, installing and testing and things like that, and tell you why I bought this and etc etc. But first we're gonna unpack this one. I have a couple of scissors. Just cut those. And then we're going to open it and see what's inside. Alright. First we have the tool for cleaning afterwards. Then we have something else, I don't know what it is for now. We'll see in a minute. Always plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Don't know what this is, but we'll see. And an empty box. So first gonna take the plastic off. Plastic. Wow. Okay. Alright. Instructions and some more things. And I guess this is the wire. Yes, it is. And empty box. More papers, more wires. I believe that was not that handy of me, but we'll see. I'm first gonna read some instructions and I'm gonna back with you after the instructions. Okay, we are back. Well, take everything out of boxes and things like that, so we have everything here on the workbench. First, we're gonna cut the tie wrap over here. There we go. The plastic. Well, let's see what we have here. Bunch of cables. Electric going that way. The metal piece. And then we have the mount. Pistol. Okay. Well, let's see what we have inside. Okay, that's easy. You can just put it up and here's the wheel and here's the feeder. So just putting this one up here and then this wheel and then what do you call it, the spring. then just put the lock on it. Okay. That fits in there nicely. So we have to open this one. And then here we have a barrel. And there are, I don't know if you can see it. There are two lines on it. One is for 0.6 millimeters and the other one is 0.8 millimeters. So you can change it in two different diameters. This is a roll from 8 millimeters, so 8 we're gonna put on top like that. We put this one. I think it should be go so. It's my first time I do this with a machine like this. Never used it before. And I'll take this wire, like what I read in the instructions. Make sure there's not too much bend in it. And we put it in here. Put it through here to this little hole. Oops. It's the first time for me, so I have to figure it out as I'm doing it. Seems like something is in the way over there. That's better. Putting the wire in, and then you close it with that. Okay, let's get some power. Right, let's put it all on. Alright, by the way, it starts to blow. And it goes through. So now I have to open this one. Yes. And then I have to take that one out. Where do I have? It's not the right way to do it, but it doesn't work. Just one moment. Alright, I have now my thing so I can unscrew it. Now let the cable and wire come through. Takes a little bit. And yes, there it is. Then we put this one. I have 3 of those, and 2 of them are written 1.0 and the other one is 0.8 millimeters. So I have now the 0.8 because the wires was written 0.8 millimeters. So let's put it on and it fits. Okay, then we have have to put this one on here. Okay. That's working perfectly nice. So then we can close this one. And I'm gonna turn it off for now. Gonna turn it so you can see the front of it. So I have the main wire where the small wire goes through. Then I have this cable is for the connector, and this is for the 220 volts electric. On off, I don't know this to. It's not written in the instruction also, so I have to find it on the internet where what the function is of that. So, but it looked really nice, and I even got this tool to scrub off the tar and to hammer the tar down. And they gave me a mask, but it is plastic. And it's okay, but it's not like I would like to see it. But we're gonna assemble it and see what it is when it is assembled. So you have to hold it like that, and then this goes together, and this goes together, and then I probably think this should be the glass. Well, it didn't unpack everything, but okay. Yes, this is the glass. And this is normal glass. It's not the glass that changes darker or brighter when it is using or not. So it doesn't, how do you say that? Let more light in or out. But yeah, I still can see a little bit through it, but I'd rather take my own. So like you see, I have this mask. I can put it on my head. Like that. And then you have your hands free. You see, you have your hands free, so that's easy. You flip it just down and you can weld. It's better than, well, better. It's bigger. So it's more protection than what this one gives. So we're gonna put this one aside and we're gonna use this one. So the rest I'm gonna put inside here. And this one also when I don't use it, so I don't lose it. So that's a nice thing from it. And I'm thinking about making something that I can put this away or something like that, but I have to see that in the future. It's gonna be a next project. Alright. Well, just turn it off. It's off. And let's see by other project that I'm doing if it is welding good or not. So I'm gonna turn you off for now, and when I'm doing that I'm gonna film it and show you guys. Alright, we are back. Let's see if how this thing, this machine welds. Gonna connect it. And I've never welded with this one, so let's see what we can do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's how often I do it, I almost forget this one. Alright. One more other thing. One more minute. Okay, we're back. Well, I got myself some gloves. Protection, always important. Gonna put it on. And then we're gonna need this one. And we have to cut the extended cable, which is too much. Like that. Gonna put it on. Let's see what it's gonna do. Guys, I've never done this with this machine, so it's gonna be my first time. Oh, this is much easier than with the old one. The old one I have the problem that the whole time gets stuck. And this one you just push on the button and it welds together, so that is really nice. And it is fast. It is much faster than with the old one. So that's really nice. So now we have this tool to tap on it a little bit to remove the slack. And that's really nice. Just something, doing something about that over there. Well, it's still a learning curve. This is really nice. This goes so much easier. It doesn't stick. The wire just comes out. And it is a real nice weld. Never had a nicer weld like with this machine. That's really nice. I like it. I like it very much. Well, that was the test, and I hope you guys all liked it. I'm really satisfied with the new machine. It is much easier, much faster, and now you don't need to change the whole time the wire. You can make one nice long weld if you have to. I just wanted to test this. So that was really nice. Thank you for watching for this the whole time I get out of sight. Thank you for watching for this vlog, and I hope you learned something from it. It was for me the first time, but I'm really impressed with this new machine. It's really nice. It's not the biggest one, and I know I can even use gas with it, but then I heard you need to change the head, and then you can also do aluminium, and that's why I bought it for, so I can also do aluminium. I don't have any aluminium at this moment, so when I'm gonna do some aluminium welding, I'm gonna make a new vlog, and I'm gonna show you all how you can do that. And it's for me the first time that I do it with this machine. I had the old one where you have to put in the strips to weld with it, but it's the whole time, if you're not used to it, and I'm not a welder, I'm an electrician, then it's gonna stuck the whole time and you have to tear it up. And now this is just so much better and so much easier. I don't think I'm gonna regret buying this machine. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the next vlog. Bye!